Hey, all you sexy creatures out there. Y'all want to take a ride with me back to the barn to get the lawnmower? Well, you're coming along anyway, so let's go. And off we go. Back past through oh, there's the bunny rabbit. I'll go back here through by the beans. Ugh, I ain't looking too healthy. Ain't got enough water lately. Path's starting to get overgrown a little bit. Oh well, it'll be alright. How's everybody out there doing? Hope y'all all doing okay. Surviving the heat. Uh-oh, the waddle found us. Go, buddy, go. Go back by the barn. There's the old 83 Cut V. Need to get it back around again. See, they got all the hay moved. What up, boy? I wonder if the deer will be out today. See if I can see them today. Oh, I ain't gonna see the deer today. Uh-oh, he's after something. Well, we made it this far. Oh, don't fall over. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just quiet. I wish you'd come in here and look at my junky old barn. Oh, there's the Beamer. That's the wife's play toy. One of them. Oh, there we go. There's what we came for. Phew. Who else hates mowing the grass? Oh, I get tired of it after a while. It hurts so bad. Well, here in a minute, y'all ain't gonna be hearing me, so I'll probably have to turn this thing off. Well, it's been a fun ride. Hope y'all had fun. See y'all later. Love y'all.